إذا ما قال لي ربي أما استحييت تعصيني وتخفي الذنب عن خلقي وبالعصيان تأتيني.
And in the Qur'an, if we were to contemplate on the ayat fi Surah Al-Layl, and these are the ayat that were revealed كما قال المفسرون في شأن أبي بكر, that was revealed about Abu Bakr when he freed Bilal. Abu Bakr freed Bilal, and Allah praised the actions of Abu Bakr in the Qur'an. And Bilal, he asked him, Ya Abu Bakr, when you freed me, did you free me so I may work for you, or I may work for Allah? But he said, Bal li'amal Allah. I freed you so you may work for Allah. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions this. الذي يؤتي ماله يتزكى وما لأحد عنده من نعمة تجزى إلا ابتغاء وجه ربه الأعلى ولسوف يرضى. So these ayat were revealed when Abu Bakr, because of Abu Bakr and his freeing of Bilal. But the ayat before that, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and this is from the ways of the Qur'an, Allah will tell us, and Allah compares, Allah Azza wa Jal says, فَأَنذَرْتُكُمْ نَارًا تَلَظَّى لَا يَصْلَاهَا إِلَّا الْأَشْقَى الَّذِي كَذَّبَ وَتَوَلَّى. Allah says, فَأَنذَرْتُكُمْ, I warn you against نَارًا تَلَظَّى, a hellfire which is blazing, fire. لَا يَصْلَاهَا إِلَّا الْأَشْقَى, no one will enter this hellfire except for the wicked people, the wretched people. الَّذِي كَذَّبَ, the one who rejects, who denies, وَتَوَلَّى, and they turned away from Allah. You find some of the people like this. When they have nothing, they come to the masajid, and when Allah gives them from His rizq, you find that they have stayed away from the masjid. And Allah is warning, الَّذِي كَذَّبَ وَتَوَلَّى وَسَيُجَنَّبُهَا الْأَتْقَى. We shall save, we shall put far away from the hellfire the one who has taqwa. Because Allah only accepts from إِنَّمَا يَتَقَبَّلُ اللَّهُ مِنَ الْمُتَّقِينَ. Allah only accepts from the muttaqeen. Allah will put far away from the blazing hellfire the one who is atqa. الَّذِي يُؤْتِي مَالَهُ يَتَزَكَّى, the one who gives their wealth, not for the sake of people, the one who gives their wealth sincerely for Allah, so he may purify himself. In Surah At-Tawbah, Allah informs us, خُذْ مِنْ أَمْوَالِهِمْ صَدَقًا تُطَهِّرُهُمْ وَتُزَكِّيهِمْ بِهَا. Take from their wealth sadaqah, so that you may purify your wealth. So when you give in sadaqah, you're purifying yourself. Because the nafs, if we do not purify ourselves from riya and shirk, how can we have ikhlas? To have ikhlas requires purification. And if you don't purify yourself, then your nafs will corrupt you. قَدْ أَفْلَحَ مَنْ زَكَّاهَا وَقَدْ خَابَ مَنْ دَسَّاهَا. The one who purifies themselves will be successful. But the one that does not purify themselves will be corrupted. الذي يؤتي ماله يتزكى وما لأحد عنده من نعمة تجزى. So when Abu Bakr was given and freeing Bilal, he was not expecting anything from Bilal. He even did not expect Bilal to thank him. إِلَّا ابْتِغَاءَ, except for seeking the face of his Lord. وَلَسَوْفَ يَرْضَى, and Abu Bakr will be pleased with his Lord. And anyone who has ikhlas, when you meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you will be pleased with him. And the ridwan of Allah, what is greater than Jannah? What is greater than Jannah is Allah being pleased with you. وَعَدَ اللَّهُ الْمُؤْمِنِينَ وَالْمُؤْمِنَاتِ جَنَّاتٍ تَجْرِي مِنْ تَحْتِهَا الْأَنْهَارُ. When Allah talks about the believers, وَالْمُؤْمِنُونَ وَالْمُؤْمِنَاتُ بَعْضُهُمْ أَوْلِيَاءُ بَعْضٍ يَأْمُرُونَ بِالْمَعْرُوفِ وَيَنْهَوْنَ عَنِ الْمُنكَرِ وَيُقِيمُونَ الصَّلَاةَ وَيُؤْتُونَ الزَّكَاةَ وَيُطِيعُونَ اللَّهَ وَرَسُولَهُ. When Allah talks about the believers in Surah At-Tawbah, the believing men and women, they're protectors of one another, they're friends of one another. Those who establish the salah, those who give the zakat, وَيُطِيعُونَ اللَّهَ, they obey Allah, they obey His Messenger, then Allah says for them, وَعَدَ اللَّهُ الْمُؤْمِنِينَ وَالْمُؤْمِنَاتِ جَنَّاتٍ. Allah has promised for them Jannah. But how does Allah end the ayah? وَرِضْوَانٌ مِّنَ اللَّهِ أَكْبَرُ. Seeking Allah's good pleasure is greater than anything else that you could want. وَلَسَوْفَ يَرْضَى, you will be pleased.
ما قال لي ربي أما استحييت تعصيني وتخفي الذنب عن خلقي وبالعصيان تأتيني فكيف أجيب يا ويحي ومن ذا سوف يحميني أسلي النفس